You know, Victorians used to have, not jippos, they had tramps, like a smelly tramp at the bottom of the garden in a little alcove of folly. And it was trendy to go with your mates around at that time and go, look, we've got ourselves a little jippo down at the bottom of the garden. I want like a little pikey in my back garden, I don't know about you. Interesting holiday vibe, Demon in Wales giving you the insight. Hello, and today we're here in Wales. We're down at Port Miriam. Come with me as we take a look around the gardens. I'll give you a little bit of history on what I know, basically nothing. And I'll show you a few things, like gold statues and a swimming pool in the middle of the bloody park. Let's go and have a look. Evening. He said evening. I think one way of describing this place would be, kind of feels like a theme park, Alton Towers or Disneyland, but without any of the attractions. Is this a place you're going to come, really? You'd probably bring your mother, or you'd come with your grandparents if they're still alive. It's got that kind of vibe where you just want to have a little quiet walk around. Not a lot else I can say about that, really. It is something that you should experience and somewhere you should come at least once in your lifetime. I'll tell you what, as I get down into this foresty part down near the coast heading towards the lighthouse, there are a lot of ancient trees in this woods. No wonder Game of Thrones and Lord of the Rings and things like that did certain scenes in Wales. And as I've mentioned before, there was a TV programme that was filmed here. Can't remember what it is. This forest, it's actually quite evil. There is a wicked way about it. And as we come down here, you'll see there's a tree down here, which is really, really bizarre. Not only that one, which looks well old, but down here, as we come round, what's this about? Look at this. Look at that tree. That is bizarre.
Evil this way, ladies.
I wouldn't mind actually walking around here on a night time with a head torch, or even come a mountain biking. That is brilliant. Look at that tree. What is going on? That is bizarre. That really is weird. But anyway, as you may know, I used to have a hiking channel, and occasionally when you're out, I mean way out, away from society, and you're out in the woods on your own, there is a certain vibe to the forest. Sometimes it feels good, sometimes it can feel ominous. Remember when I was up near Pocklington once in the woods, a really strange, eerie feeling that I was being watched all the time, and I was in the middle of nowhere. I tell you, there's more to these woods than meets the eye. Well, we've got to go have a look at this. The ghost garden and the dog cemetery. Sounds like my sort of place. Why am I whispering? Because it makes it sound more eerie and spooky as we head into the woods. I actually have quite a few experience in the paranormal. Used to be really into ufology. Seen some strange stuff, man. That's what got me into it in the first place. Rented a place once, very old, built in the 1600s. I had kids running around. I had somebody screaming at me, a little kid, "Do you want to play, mister?" Heart Attack City. And when I spoke to the landlady, she said it used to be built over a mine, an old mine. They used to get children to work in the mine. Creepy, creepy. Same house, a couple of Akitas, living room. Used to go mental, barking at the corner of the room. Nothing out there, not even pointed at the main road. Spooky stuff, man. Lots of supernatural things associated with my family. So I think I have the gift of the hearing. We did have a bit of a psychic medium in the family who had second sight, and she used to see the dead at funerals, stood behind the coffin. I kid you not. I kid you not. Let's get to the ghost garden. So this is the ghost garden behind me. Apparently, lots of spooky things have been seen here. It's just my kind of place, but I've not seen anything as yet. It's extremely quiet here as well. You're expecting me to go boo or do some post-processing to make you jump? Not gonna. Not getting any sense at all. So what we'll do is we'll leave Ghost Garden and we'll go to the pet cemetery. I'm always whispering to make it spooky. Spooky. So here we are, pet cemetery. It's not Stephen King's. This is a dog cemetery. Another place I'd like to come at night, see if you can see any rustling in the woods of the dogs. And it is actually a pet cemetery. Let's have a look and see what we can see here. Let's have a look. 17. Loving memory of La Belle. Oh, La Belle. 15th of October, 1771. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, was that is a long time ago. 1964. Oh, I feel dizzy. Is that because I've stood up or I'm getting a vibe? I don't know. But some of these are extremely old. What's that, 1976? Ooh, dog bit me. 75. 87. There's roses as well, isn't that beautiful? So there you go. There's even some really old ones here, which is just a mound of rocks. I don't know how old that one is. How old's this one? My dear, dear dog gone before, to that unknown and silent shore, shall we not meet as heretofore some summer morning? There's no date on that, but you can tell it's old by the script. Wow. Impressive. And I keep getting dizzy, I don't know why. That, whew, dizzy. That is the dog cemetery.
More wickedness lies this way.
Another tree possessed by demons.
Nick, I'm freaking myself out here. Get a weird vibe. Hair's gone up on arms. What's that about? What's that about? Something spooky lies this way. I can feel. Ooh, I'm getting my spidey senses are tingling. Look at this tree here. Spidey senses are tingling. What could it mean? We've left the ghost garden. Maybe I'm just freaking myself out with the voice. Maybe that's just the inner me. Maybe it was destined to come out. I'll tell you what is weird. My mum's mum, my grandma, she's not alive anymore, God bless her. She went to see a famous medium, gypsy woman. All the friends went in, got their readings. My gran went in, and the lady said, I can't read anything. The paper, the sheet is blank. Really upset her, freaked her out. And when my mum went to have her card read by somebody famous where there's a year waiting list, the woman who she'd booked came out of the reception area, stared at my mum in a weird way, and then when my mum had a reading, swapped out for a husband, and he wouldn't explain why she didn't want a reading. And there are more weird things like that in my life, which I may tell you in another video if you're interested. Anyway.
In the woods.
It's times like this that women appreciate good literature and fine wines and entertainment. So, let's crack it open. Water, monsieur? Yes, I'd like a copy of War and Peace by Tchaikovsky. Yes, quality literature. Yes. Oh, marvellous. Absolutely marvellous. More wine, por favor. C'est l'ami. Je la boue. Jabadi. I'll say it again. Lad's lost the plot. He's been on his own too long. Those were big. I wasn't kidding. Again, it's not going to show you on the GoPro how friggin' big this is. Yeah, dead wise to be driving around like a dick. It is massive. These boulders must be, I don't know, 60 foot high. Look at it. That's one big mother. Sun's going down a little bit now, so it's getting a little bit cooler. I know it's just close to where the hotel is. We can actually find out where the waterfall is, so that's where I'm going to be heading right now. Literally less than a mile from the actual hotel. And there we are on the phone. You can see there. Damn you, waterfall. Just like everything in Wales. Everything's an uphill slog. Well, there it is. But I want to be at the bottom. I want to be down there. I don't want to be up here. I mean, I've climbed up all this way for naught. We want to be down there. Got to work out. There's some steps down there. I can see them. Got to work out how you get down there. Golden hour. Can't even speak. The golden hour has passed us. So we will have to find it. And incidentally, look at that. They've literally ripped half of the mountain down. Trying to get slate. What right have they got? What right? We made it. That water is crystal clear. That's a long way up. Can't go swimming in it apparently. Steep currents. Look how clear it is. Wow. Oh, it says no swimming, but you could just go in there now. It would be so refreshing. Well, I think, ladies and gentlemen, that will do for today. We've done quite a lot today. Port Merion, Port Maddock. What else have we done? Waterfalls and what else have we done? Excuse me, I'm over here, Rockstar's over here. I look like crap, I know. I always look tired these days. But anyway, that's going to be the end of day 2. Now day 3, I was thinking of doing one of these adventure weekends. Well, I say weekends. They do one for 5, 7 and 8 hours underground, abseiling, climbing up waterfalls, zip wires, jumping from 35 foot, I think it says at one point, 35 foot into the deep water, into the blackness. Apparently it's absolutely terrifying. They get you on the edge of this ravine in the dark and they get you to jump out into the void and you land in the deep water 35 foot below. That sounds absolutely terrifying, especially if they turn all the lights off underground. Of course, I'm probably not going to be able to set the GoPro because I didn't bring the GoPro body mount or the head mount, and of course if you lose the GoPro in there, then it's gone. The thought of jumping into some deep water that's dark and so deep that you don't know what's at the bottom of it, that's more terrifying than jumping out, I think, and falling 35 foot. Well, it is for me anyway. But yes, so if there is no day 3, it's because Uncle Demon has done something extreme. Hope you've been enjoying these videos. I know nobody's going to watch it or even get to this part, but you know what? It's recording it and documenting it for me. And if I ever get ill in the future and I'm not on this void or this plane anymore, then hey yo, it is what it is, isn't it? Beautiful. Get yourself out into Wales, get off your bloody computers, nerds, and try and live a little.